Welcome to Maurice Succumbit 50 here in Bangkok, and I'm gonna show you guys what you guys can get for $450 a month here in Thailand. And as you guys can see here, we have a magnificent view of the pool. It's like a rooftop pool. It's like an infinity one. You can look all the way down to the right. We have another one over there in building B. It's still under construction right now. This place is very brand new. So I mean, it's very underrated. So I mean, this is definitely the most underrated condo in Bangkok. I mean, what do you think?
100%.
For $450 a month? Worth it?
100%.
100%?
Imagine what you'd be living in Australia.
I mean, probably nothing. Yeah, US, absolutely nothing. UK, probably nothing. Maybe get a closet. But yeah, guys, this is the pool area. Still under construction right now, but I'm gonna show you guys the gym, jacuzzi, the spa place where you can actually get a massage in the building. And then last but not least, I'll show you guys my room, which you guys know. It's not that big, it's not a penthouse or anything, but it's got everything you need. And I'll show you guys the special feature it has that sold me on actually living here. So let's go ahead and get started. And guys, look at this. It's like the sky bridge from building B to building A. We have a little bit of construction going on right here, but I mean, once it's done, it's gonna be absolutely stunning. Just walking here in the morning, getting your daily steps in. It's nothing like it, just looking at the grand city of Bangkok and enjoying the view. Now right here, this is where there's a massage room, a spa, and a sauna. So let's see if we can get in here. It's 50-50 chance we can. There we go, guys. All right, so it seems pretty good. Seems like there's no one in here, but you can literally get a massage right here. We have a jacuzzi right there. I've never actually been in this side. And we have a steam room. This is actually the first time I've actually seen this, guys. Steam room, sauna, massage place. And then right here on the left, we have the sauna. You can turn it on right here, as well as a shower, a big shower. And then right here, a toilet. So we have the sauna, toilet, shower behind me. It's the perfect setup whenever you go out, Nana Plaza, indulge yourself a little bit too much in the nightlife. Just come here, reset, and you're back in business. And we'll go back outside, show you guys the gym next. And guys, this is actually, you guys will probably see this video on my previous video, but we sparred here today. Lost plenty of brain cells. You can just come here, spar, wake up in the morning for your morning routine, just start kicking, punch front, bam, elbow.
They just gave you a think about it ejection.
Yeah. Think about what, bitch? See, I mean, they lost so many brain cells, they don't need to think anymore. They're buying right away. And then over here, we have a 2-story co-working space. We have one right here. Climb up these spiral steps, and there's another place on the upstairs. So we have like 3 of these in the building. I think all in building A. But whenever you need to work, you can literally just work here. And then when you're getting low frequency, you're getting tired, just transition over to this room, start boxing, bag work, whatever you need. And the gloves are already there provided, which is pretty rare for like a condo, providing gloves for the citizens that live here. So it's very good. As well as jump ropes, box jumps. You think I could jump this?
You used to play basketball.
Yeah.
You got this.
All right. Off vert, no running. All right, let's take the bag off. Woo. As you guys can see, retired basketball player, still got it. Let's continue on the journey.
Wait, I need to see if I can do this now.
All right, go ahead. Ooh, nah, bro, you got it. One more. Oh, shit. That was pretty smooth, though. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and go straight to the gym. I should be over here.
This ain't the gym.
No, it's not the gym. Just the boxing place. This way.
What a dead-end job.
Here's the gym.
Oh, my days.
Damn. The view is absolutely crazy, man. I mean, just imagine riding this elliptical to your dreams of making it to a better condo in the future. Imagine. This is like kind of level 1. Level 2 is all the way over there. Level 3 over there. We have the treadmills. It's a very luxurious gym. Like free weights. You have like everything you need. Legs, chest, back. I have no idea what this is. Pull-up bar. You can do some pull-ups. That's the max, guys. But right here we have the free weights, the mirrors. The lighting is actually crazy at night. It's like a downlight right on you. Flex, pose for the Instagram stories. So.
Ziz? You did that?
Yeah, Ziz. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get a pump real quick. We actually were tanning a lot today. Sorry, the test is maxed out right now. Yes, sir. Here's the lobby, guys. Christmas spirit. I feel like there's more Christmas spirit here in Bangkok than there even is in America. Like ever since like after Halloween, there's been Christmas decorations literally everywhere. Hey guys, here's my building right here. This is building A, building B, building C. So right now I'll show you guys like the theater room, co-working space, like the main one. And then I'll show you guys my room and that'll pretty much be it. So hopefully your TikTok brain is still not kicked in yet, so that way you can still watch. All you need to succeed, guys. The Entrepreneur Starter Pack, it's modafinil, Zins, caffeine, 10 eggs a day. And that's all you need to succeed, guys. You have unlimited energy, unlimited focus, and unlimited clarity on your dreams and your ambitions. So with the theater room, it's on the 8th floor, which we're going to now. It has a big co-working space, pool table, a chessboard. So if you guys like chess, that's the place to do it. And I mean, for the theater room, you just have to rent it out, like book it. And then you can just go there with your girls, whichever one you guys have. Yeah, here we have the pool table, the chessboard over there. It's actually a pretty sick chessboard. You guys wanna come in here real quick? And if you guys have any kids, which I guys hope you don't have yet, we have like the playroom for the kids so they can play, have fun, whatever. And then here we have the, was it 8-ball, right? The 8-ball table, the chessboard. Ah, here we go. Yeah, it's locked right now because you have to book it. You have to call one of these numbers. Email here, text them there. You can book out this whole theater room for you, your girls. You can even have a karaoke session with a bunch of lady boys. It's a very fun time. But over here, we have another big co-working space on the left and on the right. So if you guys are doing e-commerce, day trading, remote sales, you can just go in there, go right here. And then on the left, we have another one. This is more of like a meeting room and I think a kitchen as well. So we can actually go in here, look at the kitchen. And I mean, you can just, whenever you guys are working, you just send the Thai girls here in the kitchen and they'll just have as much fun as they can. Over here, look, they have like a fridge. No oven, so they can't have that much fun. Maybe make a coffee or two. Here we go, the stovetop. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the co-working spaces and most of the amenities. Now we'll go up to my room to show you guys the special feature on what sold me on living here and the actual room itself.
What do you feel like has been your best ROI for things you've invested in yourself?
I think paying for like a network and a mentor, like a mastermind, has definitely been my best investment. Just learning from someone who's levels above me, acquiring their skills, knowledge, what they actually know, and incorporating that into my life has been able to progress me so much faster than just doing it all by myself. It's right here. We have my room right here. Well. All right, guys. So right here we have the PS5 for the girl. Right here she plays games. So I got her PS5. Right here is where I make the money with remote sales at the closer. And then, yeah, my favorite part of the room. Let me pull this up real quick. Guys, we have the bedroom right here. That's where all the magic happens, as you guys know. Magic happens here. We have the USA vibe on the walls, California, Long Beach. We'll dance over here to the kitchen. This is where the second magic happens with the caffeine intake. My supplements over here, or some of them at least, with the lion's mane, BCAAs, creatine, magnesium, zinc, all that good stuff. The laundry, fridge. You guys gotta get a cast iron if you're eating 10 eggs a day. Don't eat off of that bullshit pan. Get a cast iron, it's very cheap and very good for your health. And then here, the bathroom, they're actually fixing the hose right now. So if I take a shit right now, it's over with. No way to clean ourselves, so we're gonna hold that in for now. Yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. But here's a special supplement if you want to scale to 20,000 a month, and that's this right here, the modafinil. Take you to the moon, income-wise and mentally. Good? What's up, brother? Okay. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys are sold on living here. We need some new neighbors. Maybe Aaron will come back here in 6 months and we'll have a party. We'll have a very good time. Spar, tan on the roof, and that's pretty much it.
We'll both have our Thai girls cooking for us.
Yeah.
Coffee and eggs in the morning.
That's all we need. yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.